Hello everyone, I am Najul. I am working as a senior web developer in Microsoft Limited. In this tutorial I am going to show you how can we change our phone number on the top of your script template. I choose any of our script. For this case I am going to show you on our PHP holidays template, but for your case it is applies for any script you purchase from ICRA, and it can be any website. It not necessarily has to be the same. It can be any website and the functionality and system will remain same how we are explaining here. So now let's go back to our home page. So this is what is default template. So on the default template there is on the top header part, this is logo, and this is what we call header part. Header.html for file represent this section. We will show you how can we change this area. This area means call 880000 number. So we can change it from our admin control panel. If you have purchased our ad and commercial add-ons, you can easily manage it through our administration section. But if you have not purchased our ad and commercial add-ons, you can still be able to change through the FTP and editing the PHP file. Let's assume that you purchase our ads and commercial add-ons. So under the module you will see a menu called ad and commercial management. On this section, if you purchased ad and commercial add-ons, you will find a menu under the modules folder, and this is the list of the ads and commercials shows up to your site. So this is the dummies. You can rename it, you can edit, change, delete, whatever you want. So now we will go back to our home page, and we will see we are going to edit our header banner. So under your FTP there is a folder called application, layout, script, and your script underscore default is the default template. So let's log on to our layout area. So for your case it can be your product underscore default. So under the header.html representing the header part of your website. So now we will edit. So log on to our FTP, download this folder, open to your editor and open the header.html file. I just want to show you this area you would like to change. So if you have not purchased the add-on, just delete it, delete this part and add your custom HTML or PHP, whatever you want, so under the header PHP file. But if you have purchased our add-on commercial, you can still do through the administration part. So let's navigate the advertisement or the banner we use for showing the phone number. So let's load all the page. We will locate the ID number 201. You see 201 is the ID what is representing our phone number. So as you can see, look at this, 201 is the ID is representing this area. So this ad. So if we just delete it, it will not find anymore. So now I'm going to edit this ads or commercials. So edit this one, 201 advertisement. So if you edit, you can see the page name, title and the body area. So in the body area you can see there is a small HTML, so that represent call number. So you can load up your editor if you want. I just make some changes, change all 0 by 888888 to show you how change gets effect to our website. So now I make a little bit of change and then save this ID number 201 and then go back. My ad ID number 201 get changed. So now I will copy the code of 201 ID because 201 ID I have just modified. So click to copy the code, it will brings up a new page with a sample code, so you do not need to worry about the code. Just copy this code or any code that can be suitable for you. For publishing the image ad, you can copy this one. For publish image and text ad, you can copy this one, and to publish the JavaScript, you can copy this code. So you can copy whatever code is suitable for you. So this is the copy code area. So just copy this one and paste it to the header.phtml file. So for our case, just copy this portion because I just modified the text. So I copy the top code and then paste it here. Basically no change because I have just modified, but just to show you, remove this and paste the code we have copied from the backend. You can paste it and you can modify it, and you can come up with your custom HTML page. Those who have not published our ad and commercial modules, remove it, come up with your custom HTML, PHP or JavaScript code and paste it here. It will still work. So for our case, we have modified, no change done. But if you want to bring any other ad, so you can just edit this portion and then save it, upload it back to the server, and header.phtml file gets modified. So now we will go back to our home page and see how the change gets effect. So in this tutorial we have changed through the backend administration control panel. So I just refresh the home page to see the changes comes into an effect. You can see the changes comes into an effect. So all 000 gone, and it replaced by 88888. So 8802 and 888. So as you can see, the changes get effect whatever we have done to the backend administration control panel using making change of ID 201. For your case, you can change your custom HTML and you can add your custom JavaScript here in this portion under the header.javascript, header.phtml. Thank you very much. I hope you have learned how can we modify the top advertisements, a banner, and the top call now number. I hope this tutorial helps to understand how things can be managed. And if you have any question and if you have any queries, don't hesitate to email us. We are open to hear any problems that you are experiencing, and we are happy to assist you. Thank you very much.